dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.
Alright friends, so this is the first time my father-in-law has been out since he's been home from the hospital. And the animals, you can tell, have missed him because they're following him everywhere. And we've got some visitors. We've got Rachel, which is Willie's daughter and my husband's sister, and her husband Eric. They're out visiting, checking on Dad, make sure everything's good. But yeah, this is the first time he's been out. He's feeding his pigeons, showing Rachel around, and checking on all the birds.
I wasn't able to do this, right, baby?
Nope.
Oh, it hurts. I need to clean that water. Okay, guys, look at that. There you go.
You'll sleep good tonight.
Oh my God, you guys are loving this. Ah, great. Good job. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hold on to this. And I tell you to shake it, you shake it. Not yet.
You gonna let them out?
Yeah.
They haven't been out in a long time.
On mine.
Oh, what happened, Jared? Did a turkey get you? The pigeons haven't been out in over a month since he's been sick, so this is the first time they have come out in a month, and they're enjoying flying around.
For the baby's garden. Oh, the green. Yeah, see, they're not anymore. Okay, Tracy, give me that. You guys didn't feed them today, did you?
I don't know if they get fed them or not.
Oh, God, they broke in. Too lazy. There you go. There you guys go. Go, go, go. Just leave it up there. Good job, guys. Good job.
You feeling, Willie?
I feel a lot better. I think I'm getting better
Getting better?
after 2 months. I think it's been 2 months, huh?
Yeah, a month, a little over a month.
A month and a half, maybe.
We've had a lot of people praying for you.
Oh, thank you.
He's up, guys. He's
But I
doing
lost
pretty
my
good.
muscles.
Yeah.
I need to work my muscles back up. I'll do it.
Little
soon.
by little. Yep. First time he's been up. in
First
over.
time in a month.
Yep.
Pure pain all month long. Why? I don't know.
But he's better. We're getting him back.
Good job, Mama. You're such a good girl.
You're a good girl, huh, Dina?